This is my first video and I am working on fully Arduino based drone. So first of all, during while designing a drone, the main things which we require is the flight controller, which I have made, and this is a type of prototype PCB which I have made, which has a Arduino here. Then it is a gyro sensor. Then it is compass, which has GPS, and it is BMP280 pressure sensor. This flight controller has altitude hold, GPS hold, as well as head locking, but till now I have not implemented the telemetry system in this, so I am working on this, and in future videos I will be posting it soon. Then next, this is a transmitter which I have made. It is also made from Arduino. Here it is an Arduino. These are the joysticks. This is 6 channel. It is working on NRF L01 module, transmitter receiver module. It is a power amplified one. It has a 3.3 voltage regulator, and for filtering and for filtering the noise, I have set here the capacitors. Then this is a receiver which also has a mini, which is NRF L01 module. These are the output pins which will be connecting to the flight controller.